TV.
Kathesha mwanya mno kiwa mutegere Weru TV no tuboko na kanya gakwatana batu kimubango ya nkombosha mithenga jiro yo kuyera ntuko ciontheti ya Jumapili kwambire thaa 12 na ndagika 45 kana wenda 6:45 pm na ratutieri tukwithia twikuretera bwa mbere antu bara bariki utumiri bwanda wa Chiambo Gita bare kana chino turobo buragira ibo kenda bakethia betu ikia tariria rugendo ro rwithirite rukarakari atena na atia bombire kwithia bakiomba na kierio kiu kana karugendo kauka kuma kiutumiri bwanda wa Chiambo Gita mwaka uturobo kwithia bokiagira boyele itutieri tukwithia twikuretirinya ataalamu begi utumiri bwanda wa ibo kenda bakethia betu rutana na atumbikio tieba na kaitakara muntu ethira akireka nacho na atia batere kubwithi ibo kenda atachoke kiutumiri bwanda weu na ngoloki tutieri nyito kuretera anto kana tumiria antu ba Murungu rabethera beturutana nende ukulukira kiugo kia Murungu na tubatere kwithira tugikura na kibo kenda otira itukwithira tukiomba na kimutego yeu no ende ruterero rwa kiruteto rwa Murungu tukuyeru aretu ina muntu rokethira witutariria kanjani kabe kethirite gakarakari atia na inyankulo kino tunethirite tethia antu babainge ake kuma kiutumiri bwanda we akethira aitwariria kidogo konia bura tubatire kwithia tugikaria ibo kendo tiera tutukumba kwithia tukiwa mutego na yuyo ndawa Chiambo Gita mbito wini wa Kinyeru. Karibu sana.
Yeah.
Kwa salama.
Thank you.
Mara mwisho tulikuwa na wewe huku najua Kimeru. Umeimprove kidogo?
Yeah.
Hujashika?
Inkwero.
Uko wata. So ndio utoflow na Kimeru. Wale mwawe uka
Kageria kwaria.
Una tukuringira makofi ethira uko wata.
Thank you.
Mbina hia tu mwaka yumwe. Wow. Karibu sana. Ninko na nwitite ambere bupoya.
I'm doing good. God has been faithful. And at a time no tuga we in recovery. Mbita wa James Mugunaga Tobu. Kumana arabo anko bonda gene. And I'm going strong. And over time I've realized full benefits. I know mwengo enjoy full benefits. Cia kwithirwa ndi a sober person.
Yeah.
Na muntu utego tumira nchobi no ntunonda atumaira to the extreme.
Yeah.
And nongo chiumya kugeria kwariria antu every opportunity ran nenkairo. And nko chogeria Weru TV nkatho for opportunity nyingi ya kupakanya tu mbariria antu baraba go struggle nontu amo mena kwina vine nyingi na utumiri bwa ndawa cha kurebia sana nchobi bukothithia a lot of damage nturene chietu. Every village ngo tikira omba gwita thai damage ira nene kuthithika kria antu babethi ni utumiri bwa ndawa cha kurebia. Yeah.
Wow. Tukumekie karugendo gaku kidogo briefly.
Yeah. Unda njoire Kagaja Methodist Treatment Center 2022 October. Ndi totally beaten yani pole kite orevine na bititero yani at hit rock bottom. And nchokerie my uncle the late Kimathi Duncan nkatho is within the family no realize there is a problem na no recommend ndetwaja halbait kwa katikati ni kanto family bamwe bakiuga ari and tukaririe jagwe later decision ikikinya kwa mint mtu aretwa institution ineze urakwethera gukari na ndikoretwaja ndangugire through the program aja batithagia the 12 steps of the and it's also a church institution. Sure. They awake you spiritually. And no, because that's one of the union component area nene.
Yeah.
Ire tetha area antoaja. Na kumandere jaja. Looking back, I can say it has not been the same again. Yeah.
Ni watethekere.
Ni onda tethekere.
Wow. Yeah. Aya, kaitaka ugo tumira ndawa Chiambo Gita imbi vivyo ngo bya gukumite kwa.
Uni ndakurite ndi an orphan ndakorera kwa jojo kwa ndakuru ya uncles na aunties and that part of part ye mtu agikura itithairwa mtu atumba any utumba kwa public mantu japena to you from the inside either psychologically in your mind no kuthugania especially grow mantu sense of belonging who are you and who are your people lakini ku society na yetu gutura ana bamoja batu nya guidance ititherero na most of times within family where your mom came from na where your father came from with the connection itherero so you feel lost and no nda ko yure gaps you na mantu ja kuengo and then you later grow mantu ja you cannot process them at that stage utumbo process nteto you no dirani achiona yugo mtu complete kivi yako so ukura ukaam mtu complete lakini behind the face kudra kuna social and emotional damage ya penite so remwe ntaka chumbura nteto jai I used to go take 1 or 2 and the process ya kwenda ku hide that part of me na feel the man complete na bange I was hooked up unaenda kwa tironio na ndami ni through campus ndami ni after campus and cost nyango ge lakini I used to work in a bank and I also used to work for another company in Thika I lost both and that's okay home ngichoka ore mantu jo jakari ndi mwana ene na ara no jakari nya after day and adult you come to a home where you don't belong and then I ore bina buwa bukara bodaminja relationships at that point in time uko tena ngo yo chokete you become a burden to people and abusers baba inge what happens to them is that people draw away Ote mtu karananya na mtu given to substances ukaba chumbura au you need money you cannot do anything constructive the little resources that are there in opportunity given oka misconda and that's how ndikuja home I found myself so lonely and so alone na void use on the cofield da afira na joy those who know me baraba ambije boga no ba test unden drunk ndari another person and I really messed up people
mwari mtu akari yake
ay yani ngwanti umba ku describe but I can say it was not good it was not good and I know na arwenya mtu rogo struggle in addiction inyangwa na relationships ya itebu there will be issues within the family kwa go your family man your immediate family whether with the spouse na toana twaku you know it is not good.
Sure.
Addiction iteka you know you miza mono the people who love you and baraba kwendete na genuinely ba kuwisha mantu ja mega ibo ogwe umesahap na wo and that is why the damage in Chobi especially here in Kenya I don't know whether the inaya regulation the way alcohol is sold and consumed in the society karani ate lakini the damage in Chobi economically if you are to evaluate we have serious problems and institutions zaidi they need to be supported. Support na njirera yumbekeka because that's how we are going to save this society. Na society needs to embrace if you are we mtu ntorene na we na mtu family chenu kana musore please find it necessary yani uone kuna maana or recommend those people to come to institutions like this. Not to take emotion to substances. Yetu na mantuja mengi monoja hapenite within our society. Especially these mantuja homicides. Anto bakoragana within families. mantu jara maingi jara yambiria na this use of substances. Ukadra one partner is using, the other one is not using. So relationship is so messed up. Na in a lot of emotional you know stress nyingi hata bena che. And before people resolve no to batenda kwa institution je, we end with fatalities. Kadra mtu mmono ragira unge. Na toka idea tu mtu uradhoki. But I know situations which chomba kwa arrested. Anto bakenda kwa embrace institutions je.
Wow. Aya, nitakwenda tukomandene muno kijania kuno to kwekaita kamwe twari twambiaririte kidogo ndenda nende nukumite ke in the world of kutethia anto barabe kiotumire bwanda wa Chembo Gita, maybe no twaririe briefly kiendeka interliratie no utwaririe number 1 na ati muntu anto bakukuma ibivyo byongo byo trigger muntu kwethera akikimbilia kana akimatokira drugs.
Kintu kira tunakio kuna breaking of that, yani kuonekanga kwa traditional networks cha family urea society yetu ekari thaiji to live in new times and very strange times where families each breakere what used to hold families together na antu baigua we belong together kana baba go face challenges chao as one it's no longer working and the ayura tukari every man for himself circumstances ijirimu whether among the adolescents na whether it's among young adults ndimaanisha baba kuenjoy in college bomite from 4 high school to college au kwanza na kuna challenge nene sana nuntu ayuth baraba inge betonya into abuse of alcohol and substance immediately they join college. By the time these people are graduating whether baka thoma na campus kana baka we stand through the system within the system by the time bakumara whether this person is already given to substance abuse so that mtu unyoka mwikia in a work environment who sustain that opportunity in the work environment into be kimu mono kirewe. So most of them will also baka mangugene na mtu asidhire jobless. In an economy like ours na watu jiroma tujakari mtu akeja kumara outside that job situation ye ka complicated further no ntunya kumanenje kurara manenje nya kugura substance watiomba so that person will come home as a home how issues kyango kukura mantu ya mbesa kuiwa mantu na musiari athithia ondakejere na yeye amefanya hivi ametorokea hapa so ku dinere yambiri na nchovi ikakinyere nya mutiari indirectly through wastage family resources yeyu ja watu mbona ete bangi mono they will not want to face it they face it dina mudaka keja au ageti munda eti majani over time majani jau no mtu wa still use the substance atija kedha ya through ona nyamani akomboleni majani akomboleni munda in the process mbese hicho komboleni idire in no time mtu akaenda still kuendelea ku use struggle ka choke mtu to zero and unless something is done to arrest the situation to end yantu bena nya suicidal thoughts not that person you ngotiganya tujero kono the prodigal son until he came to yani Biblia ngo yuga rera isiririe athoganye guchoka na inguti Kenya within that time ko ari na a lot of factors che informa him coming back to reason. We need whether to systems to bring back to people back to reason. And I think this institution is one of those. At a Methodist training center. I know omba koletwa ugaitwa from that environment. Ira ina so many factors to force towards direction you. Ukaletwa aja. There will be a break. And in that break almost 3 months actually. Igakwa kanya kaku take inventory kana ku take manto jaku through one by one wona how you've come. Eh? And I'm sure like the prodigal son, yani the prodigal son ya 3 months yaja. Self-assessment can clearly show yani omba kuonia baba inge but it the way substance use. Na kuna misconception yengereo kore antu bathogana ya kwethura wina thina ya substance abuse itha iri onyuete mbeca ciaku cionthe ciathira wendia miunda onyue thira no wethira wina mbeca ukanyua mbeca kana ugatumira substance na inge to the extreme na rone no gokira wina money kwendelea that one etiomba go save kukwira tena thina not even with that money ukathira wina mbeca cionthe lakini you want to maintain that family of yours. In health relationships na antu bara bonde bakiaga around. You see? So you still need help. Na that's where kuna thina and appreciate mono. Nyanto bamwe bara beje na thina nto bena mbesa. Ukaireta au kateza. Because that's what we need kenda toba kwa to complete.
Wow. Denda waririende mutegeri wa Weru TV kwina mtombikia kwithira agitumira tracks kana kwe muntu we ayete nkombo no kwe muntu nyagererie kurekana acio yes arekana acio lakini achoka gecho na kwe muntu nyatachema ene omwire uko nikuba na to in experience omwire bora na uko karakari
kiri urota
briefly
please your state of mind, your peace of mind is the rarest thing that you have. Na kwe mtu wethero soba ataka antu baba bakunda ako na jaka they have it. I'm telling you they have nothing. The emptiness they antu over experience even after use is to the extreme. Please okageria. Kiro ro tumirete. There is help out here. Non to way inactive use a substance. Kwethira kwena mantu jata joba kwa happen kiyogo. The worst is death. 2 Inchera. Kule antu abange mono benchera na it started with substance abuse. Mtu adithiria mantu ja mange mono some involved in murders, others in rape cases na bange mantu jange ja mange and it started with substance abuse. Non to way inactive use of substances. Uchithaira in very situations imwe watere kwithirori. You find yourself out there thakenda cio tuko thenya cio tuko might think you are very okay, but environment in area go operator there is always danger lacking over. And number 3 either ways yaja utethwe and I think your choices this you on that one sio this is the best place you can be.
Wow, kabisha mwanya mutakiri wiko kethira tatema ukageria buru no kethira no eretie kwina uteithio na ome so no batere no kinye makinya yakuwa inkwenda gwita kiria no kethira witetheka so tukwebwe no ntuba kwithira ukiturutanira tegere ba Weru TV ni nyatu ngo kethira witonelia ate na wome nau kuchema kintu kiu atege kiano ntoro igendo ruti arwithira rwiru thukaita karamu twaro ambirina na kwenda kwithira kiuma kwa itoko all the best ke kutethia ntu tambere no ba utumiriria ate drugs tinji yako kethira muntu egecho na uri utethio na kethira tethega no kethira tegecho akaeria njire
igoga
Kadeshe mwanya mnakia mutegere Weru TV no ntuba kona kanya gokinyania batu kinya gwekinya kimobango yo ankombosha mithega ndina makuna mantu wamba kwithirwa kithoma yara wayathikira boya na wayathiatira ukethira kiagirithio turoboku muno kethira wiki utumiri bwanda wa Chembogita na muno kethira utekietio ukwithira kiwata njire upure karakari tira wina kaitakia